This is Onyejekwe Technical Services coming to you live from my central workshop. I want to present to you the overhaul of Sullair MM3 instrument air compressor, stripped and revamped here in my workshop. Here you have the housing and the shaft together, and here you have the overhaul in progress. Just as confirmation, you can see the free rotation of the shaft, the male and the female shaft turning ever so freely. If you notice any restriction, your compressor is going to notice overheat or experience overheating, and that will lead to severe damage. So this is the revamp or overhaul in progress, and then this is a completed job waiting for the pulley to be installed. Please confirm free rotation. Confirm free rotation. I'm going to have to drop tailor's oil in it and then carry out this primary test run or manual test before I can go and install. So this is the compressor at work. Okay, once again, let me show you how free the male and female shaft need to be before you can install the housing. Sullair MM3 compressor. Thank you.